Oh, no. Have you ever wondered how effective brass knuckles are? No? Well, we're gonna find out anyways. Bro Labs, of course, is a series where I shed my title of World's Strongest Bodybuilder and become a world-renowned scientist to answer the questions that nobody asked. And in today's super scientific experiment, we're setting out to find out how much more effective these here brass knuckles are compared to a regular old knuckle sandwich, alright? Do brass knuckles cause more pain? Or do they cause more damage? I really don't know, but we're gonna find out. Now, before I get hit with those brass knuckles, we're gonna do our comprehensive melon punching test, alright? To give it an idea of what's gonna happen when I get hit. Weston, take it away. Oh, jeez. Dude, he's still smiling at you. All right. Wow, learned a lot from that last one. Now here's a pineapple. Oh, jeez! You left a knuckle imprint in there. Oh. I don't like pineapple. Now for comparison, I'm gonna punch this melon with this my old regular fist, okay? To see the difference. This one's for Pearl Harbor. Ow. Cause a fluke. Wow, there's one thing we definitely learned, and it's that brass knuckles can break some melons. Now, we're gonna find out what it does to me. So, we're gonna punch one side, which is bare knuckles, okay, which is gonna be my right. The other side is gonna be all brass knuckle punches. And then we're gonna compare the pain and damage difference. Let's do it. Bare knuckle punch first in the calf. Oh, ow. Whew. Just gonna stretch that one out real quick. Brass knuckle time.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Informative?
I learned a lot just now. That hurts. Cowabunga! It's me, Rad Bodybuilder Houston here. Bet you didn't expect me to come scooting in. Well, guess what? I saw the comments that you want me to get hit in the shins with the scooter, okay? As if it could cause any damage to my rock hard shins. Well, guess what? I'll do it, but for 5,000 likes. Make it happen, Captain. See you later, suckers. Someone stretch my... Oh, it's cramping. I didn't drink enough water today. Ah! You can punch me harder than that.
Okay.
Punch me harder than last time. Punch you right into the seated position. It's my thinking position. Yeah, okay. That's not helping. It hurts more. It hurts more. Stop it. About what I expected. All right, brass. Hard, cold, unforgiving brass.
All right, here we go. You want side or up and down? We'll go
Whatever you think is best.
Angle here.
Is that the best you got? You can do better than that. I think you hit my femur.
Did he do better than that?
You hit my femur.
I can't be helping your legs.
Ow. He punched through my meat. I got a lot of meat, man. A lot of meatus. Fetus?
What?
Fetus. Ground's slippery, you know. I don't got a lot of traction with these shoes. Okay, brass. What's up with you and glancing blows today? It's only right that you do it one more time.
Oh no, I don't wanna.
Ah! That was inside of me!
I felt that one like sink in.
Call the hospital.
Don't worry, I'm a doctor. Right, we're gonna go to a hammy punch. Weston, you have full control. Ooh! all right, I see you. You can do better, come on. Don't pull back, don't pull your punch. Oh! Ooh. Just do a curl, get the blood going, okay? Oh, that was lower glute, arguably.
I think it broke my wrist.
Well, what can I say?
That
The
hurt.
doc squats. Okay, those definitely hurt worse. Especially the hammies,
Took you
man.
that long to figure out that?
Okay. All right, so my legs have been pretty beat, but what we're gonna do is punch all the same spots over one more time on each leg, and then we're gonna wait a couple days and see what they look like. Was that the same spot? Oh!
Is that okay?
Seems okay. He's just calculating.
Yep, calculating.
Putting data points, you know.
Thinking position. It hurt.
Reflexes.
Yeah, they're working. Butt cheek, dude! You kind of glanced that one a little bit.
I think I hit you.
Even the glancing blows hurt. Oh, no, no. We're taking 5. Oh, you can feel the lump on it. Touch it, Garrett. What's your prognosis?
That's a lump.
That's a lump. It's almost like a hard metal is hitting me. Just gotta let the hammy relax. Weston, can you shake my hammy for me a little bit? Shake my hammy out, please. This could be a straight. This leg, right? Okay. No, I'm fine. I'm not brass knuckle shy, I swear. Okay.
That hurts the front of your leg?
Yeah, I kicked the chair on accident with my shin. A little bit of a double whammy there.
Holy shit.
But, you know, that's science. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick damage report immediately after getting punched. We'll start with the bare knuckle side first. The calves, I'm a little bit ashy. They punched me into ash, I guess, but not too red or bad. There's the quad, little red there, okay? Not that bad. My hammy, can't see it. What's it look like?
Bad.
Oh, okay, good to hear. All right, now the brass knuckle side. Lumps are on it. Lumps. I feel like I have a small child's head on my calf right here. I think you can even see that. Some hematomas for sure, okay? More hematomas, all right? Already bruising. Let me give me the light. See that? There's a bruise right there already. You can see knuckles imprinted on my leg. Who'd have guessed? And then my hammy. I got a little lump right there. Ooh. And I think it's safe to say the brass knuckles definitely hurt more. So what we're gonna do, check back in 2 days, see how they look. All right, it's been 2 days later since I've been punched with the bare knuckles and then the brass knuckles. And we're checking in to see how my legs look. We'll start with the control side first. As you can see, really no bruises at all. They didn't feel very good, okay? My quad, pretty much no bruising. I think I might have a little bruise on my back of my leg, do I?
Just a little.
Okay, so that is the bare knuckle punches. And now, brass knuckle side. Bam! Check out my calf. Ooh. That thing hurt so bad. I can't tell you how bad that thing has bugged me the last 2 days. Bam! Everywhere else I got punched. Bruise, 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 bruise. And then bruise. I've been bruised everywhere. And I'll be honest, the past few days it's hurt to just walk and go places because the stinking calf right here just cramps up all the time, man. So my super scientific conclusion for this experiment is that brass knuckles without effect can cause more damage and are more painful than a regular punch. And I mean, like, who knew? Probably everyone, huh? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this super scientific experiment. And I would really advise you to hit that like button. It really means a lot to me. Also, maybe comment down below what you want to see next on Bro Labs, because I'll probably do it. I do a lot of stupid experiments, you know? And, you just know me, crazy scientist guy. And also, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.